This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4369 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Gotham Decor, Newport Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, awning, TV antenna, skylight, air conditioning, self-contained, external shower, Colorado detector, smoke detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.